Hey, how you doing? This is Jim from DiY. I'm here. I want to show you something that I invented a few years ago. It's a soldering gun made of a car headlight bulb. What you do, get a car headlight, socket at an auto parts store. Get an AC/DC converter with a little plug, 12-volt plug on there. One of these little cool thing a Radio Shack you can pick up. So you put negative and positive, and here's little connectors too. That plug right in here, like so. And a little twisty, you put your wires in there, your positive and negative, give you power for anything, like those portable power supplies, you know, that don't have a plug. That's what you use up for. Okay, get yourself some Romex. Take out the inside of some Romex. Doesn't matter what gauge. Just not too thick, but you know, thick enough stiff wire. You don't need to use this stiff wire, but I used it because I didn't have anything else. Except this little cheap ass wire, but we can use that. Okay, you could twist this around a socket in case you don't want to twist it around this. If you twist it around the light bulb, okay, gotta be careful. As you see, I'm doing that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, okay. Twist it around here, like so. Okay. And try not to touch the bulb too much because it's halogen, and you wanna, if you do touch it, try to wipe it off with a clean towel, because or a clean rag or something, because the moisture of your fingers, you know, will blow the light bulb out eventually. So get the residue off it from your fingers. Okay. Where am I at? Okay, you can twist the bulb around here like so. You don't want to do it too tight, but tight enough, like so. I'm going to do that. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, here we go. That's what you want to come out, what to end up looking like. It's with your tip. I don't know if you can see that. That's what you solder with, right there. And we're going to try it out. On here, you have one hot wire and two negatives. Because the two negatives, I'm going to blind you here for a minute. The two negatives, that's for the high beams. See, watch. You get to see what you're working on too. Yeah. Might be a little too bright. But let's see how it solders. I did a quick, if I made the wire long enough, which I didn't, should have cut off about maybe 1.5 feet of wire. But the closer spaces you got, the less light you'll see. And it won't be blinding you. Let me tell me, it's some MacGyver shit though. Let me tell you. Let's try it out. This thing gets hot really quick. It's not like, a soldering iron where you have to wait and wait for it to get hot. This gets hot real quick. Let me tighten this thing up here. Alright, shit, I forgot to pull out some solder. Alright. There you go. Oh, shit. There you go. There you go. Smelt the solder. See that? Really fast. Told you it was fast. You can solder your wires in your car, anywhere else you want to do it. You can buy one of these. Let me get the light out of there. You can buy one of these things, plug it right to your battery, do any auto soldering on cars, or there you go. Plug it right to your battery, got your car headlight soldering on, and solder, and look at that. And you got high and low. If that's too bright for you, you can pull one of these out. Set low. Once you get it hot, you can put on a low setting, it will stay hot. See that? Or you can put a 3-way switch in there, whatever makes you feel better. And yeah. See that bowl of solder right there? How solid it is? See how I'm pushing it around with the other solder? Watch this. Instant melting. Instant. Sweet, huh? And that's another one done by Jim. I got a lot more of crazy ideas coming your way. So, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. This is the light bulb soldering gun, done by Jim. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye.